What's up guys, Vincenzo here, and today we're going to be making something a little bit on the sweeter side. I want to make for you guys today some hazelnut vanilla pancakes, and with that we're going to pair it with some fresh fruit, and we're going to make a little bit of kind of a maple honey drizzle on top. These are going to be made in a way that's, gluten-free, specific carbohydrate diet friendly, and paleo diet friendly as well. So we use a little bit of almond flour, we take some eggs, a couple of other special ingredients, and we're going to make a mile-high pancake stack. Light, fluffy, the flavor is smooth, nice and sweet. It's like paradise. What I love to do with these is actually make an extra batch, put that in the fridge when they're done, and then during the week I'll take 1 or 2 out in the morning, pop them in the microwave for 10 or 15 seconds, add a little bit of honey on top, and I will just go to town.
All right, ingredient time, y'all. So what we're going to be doing today is making a double batch. Now a double batch yields roughly 8 pancakes. I make mine really large, so you're going to actually just notice for me it's closer to 5, and that's just because I'm making some real massive pancakes. Now with the wet ingredients, we're going to start off with our eggs. You want to make sure you get some good organic eggs here, and these are high protein pancakes, so you'll notice a high egg count. Here we're going to have 8 white eggs and start to add our other wet ingredients. So here we have a tablespoon of vanilla, we have a teaspoon of maple extract, and we have half a cup of honey. The maple extract really a little bit goes a long way, and don't worry about the sweetness. We are going to add a little bit of that maple extract mixed with the honey at the end, and that'll act as our kind of maple syrup. We'll grab out our electric mixer. You can do this with kind of a Cuisinart. We just have an electric hand mixer here, and we get that mixing until it gets a nice smooth texture. Onto our dry ingredients, we're going to add a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of cinnamon, 2 cups of almond flour. This is just some blanched almond flour we get at Costco, and then some crushed hazelnuts. We use a half a cup, and we use dry roasted hazelnuts. Those retain a nice crunch, which is really, really tasty when you're biting into the pancakes. With the hazelnuts, you want to just slowly layer them in, so don't get too aggressive when you're mixing them. You want them to retain their, their consistency and their crunch, so you just fold that in nice and slow. Now we'll get our pan ready, we add a little bit of butter, and we start layering in the pancake. And hey, if you like what you've seen so far, would absolutely love and appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. My favorite part here is really the flip. It has the opportunity to go so wrong, or it can be so right. All right, we're nearly done. Now that you have your pancakes ready, it's on to the fresh fruit. Now, I like to use some fresh strawberries, which I've pre-chopped here, and some bananas. To me, that's kind of like the standard that you see on pancakes, right? Blueberries also really good. You can also layer that into the pancake batter. I like to just have it on the side because I feel like the pancakes reheat a little bit better when they don't have any fruit inside of them. We'll chop up our bananas. Whoop, lost a couple there. No big deal, we have plenty extra. And we're just gonna spread that all over and make it look nice and pretty. This is looking like something out of a movie, you guys. Now the last piece is gonna be the maple drizzle, right? So this is how we symbolize our maple syrup in a way that's specific carbohydrate diet friendly. We take a half a cup to a cup clover honey. You can use any honey really. And then we add probably a teaspoon of that maple extract, put it in the microwave for 10 seconds, let it warm up, mix it up, and start pouring on.
All right guys, we have here a beautiful almond flour pancake stack. I did mine with some bananas, some fresh strawberries, and then I put that maple honey on top, and I cannot wait to dig in. It's sweet, it's fluffy. You get those little bits of hazelnut, you get the maple in there as well. Gotta try this at home, guys. Thanks so much for watching.